on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Welcome back to Tiffin Tales. Let's make something cheesy today. Say cheese. Let's make Ema Datshi. It is a dish from Bhutan. You need cheese, of course, green chili, chopped mushroom, chopped garlic, oil, salt if needed, and some water. Abracadabra, I want an induction and a pan. Let's start. To begin with, let's add oil. We will add garlic, mushroom, and quickly add chilies. Let the mushroom and chili soften. Added only 3 chilies. If you like it hotter, you can add more. The mushrooms smell awesome. They are done. We'll add the water. Once it comes to a boil, we'll add cheese. Give it a light stir and let it simmer. Now we have to wait. It's too runny, we'll add a corn flour paste. Let it come to a boil. It needs some salt. We'll add salt in the end as both the cheese and the mushroom are salty. Ooh, it's cheesy. I'll check my salt again. It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You can have Ema Datshi with bread or with Tingmo. If you want the recipe of Tingmo, stay tuned for the next episode. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.